Hi. When I started learning astrology, I learned that Mars is a commander. It represents energy and aggression. So then I thought, okay, if in planetary cabinet Mars is called commander with weapon, then who gives order to this commander? So then I realized that commander listens to Sun, Moon and Mercury. Sun tells the purpose of life, and Moon states your subconscious mind, what is constantly running in your mind, and Mercury takes a decision. So, your unconscious mind, which is Moon, gives order to this action oriented Mars, and then conscious mind, which is Mercury, takes the rational decision. Meaning, before looking at the strength of Mars, you need to know the strength of Moon and Mercury. Okay, I'll share some simple points to check whether you have strong Mars or weak Mars. But first, let's understand that Mars is a malefic planet. So it works well in Upachaya houses like 3rd house, 6th house, 10th and 11th house. And Mars is weak in the 1st house, 2nd house, 4th house, 7th, 8th and 12th. So only it gives Manglik dosha. I'll cover this topic in another video, okay? But here I want to say that Mars is a fiery planet. So if it goes to earthy signs like Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, this means fire, which is your passion, and if passion gets a strong base and stable foundation, then it creates new things. This stable fire energy becomes extremely productive. And if Mars is an airy sign like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fiery sign like Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, then it can be more aggressive in their style. But if Moon is strong, then this Mars in airy signs will be like an idea spreading worldwide. So, and even that if you see the fire element, if it's strong in your chart, it can make you a good surgeon. These surgeons, they need technical expertise, which only fire element can create. And so if you have a strong Mars in your chart, then you'll be very hardworking, and you will be full of enthusiasm, and you will be aggressive to attain meaningful goals. Here aggression is in a positive way. It's taken the positive form. So one will be very ambitious, and he loves to do tough projects. And the most important thing is that a strong Mars person cannot tolerate injustice, and he prefers to be straightforward rather than being diplomatic because he is not scared of consequences. He cannot sit idle, and even if unwell, he will take medicine and start working. And this person avoids quarrels and disputes, and prefers to resolve them. And he is always on toes and very active. His energy level will be very high, and he uses fire energy for constructive goals. So can be good builder, engineer, and they prefer to use this high energy for sadhana also and strengthen their Mula Chakra. And they're mentally very strong and knows the art to fight the pressure. And Mars is a warrior. He knows how to win the battle, and he fights to defend. A soldier in battle, he picks a weapon to save. Even a surgeon, if he picks an instrument, his purpose, his intention is to save his patient. They express anger in a dignified way. Like even sports person, he has a lot of stamina. So he uses fire energy in a very positive way, in a creative way. And so now let's see if Mars is weak in your chart. Okay, so Mars is weak in watery sign, and the main reason is that if the fiery planet joins the water element, see, water will evaporate and fire will be weakened here. So this combination actually gives emotional and physical illness. In Cancer sign, it is debilitated. So weak planet means he has to struggle to exhaust his fire energy. He's not in his own element. He's far away. Okay, so he does not know the art to channelize this energy and aggression. And so, what happens if Mars is weak? Even if due to weak moon or being placed in negative houses or negative influence like Saturn and Rahu. So, firstly, it indicates health problems like related to stomach and blood related issues. See, weak Mars is not bold. So he will lie, he will betray, and he has no courage to say it on face. And one will always get into conflicts, and they have suppressed fire energy or aggression, which takes a form of anger. And one will always contradict and jump into arguments. So they're in the habit of using sarcasm. They're very lazy and sleep a lot, and because they don't want to work. And so this is also a soldier who does not have weapon. So here he has only one weapon, and that is emotions. So tears and emotions, these are the only weapons for them. And such people, they make strategies and play mind games, and they can have health issues like BP or prone to injuries and pains and accidents. So these do not have the art to channelize their excess energy, and this surplus energy they're not able to handle. So they're confused, and so only that causes uncontrolled behavior also. So such people, they have dark minds, and so only they have foggy options. There's no clarity, and that situation can give suicidal tendency also. So such people can be harmful to themselves or as well as others. So let's see what we can do to strengthen Mars. Do yoga, you can do meditation, any physical exercise like gymming, cycling, running, or jogging. The purpose is to release fire energy or heat from the body in a proper way. Donate sweets. Pick any sport like tennis, basketball, or archery. And in the end, I would say one thing, that even if your Mars is weak or you don't have courage to handle situation, first work on Moon, because it's only the power of mind that matters the most. Get right knowledge, do physical activity, and also make your Mercury strong, make friends, and laugh out the situation. That's it for today. Hope you liked it, and if liked, please subscribe. And you can also read about Mars and astrology in detail on my website. And if any confusion, you can ask in the comment section. Take care. Bye for now. See you soon.